Hi, my name's Tom. My son's going off to college, and we're going to be picking up a new backpack for him for college. We went with this one. This is a BeeGreen. I'm not even sure the color. It's kind of a grayish color. It works pretty well. He's been just kind of carrying it around the house. We haven't actually tried it for school yet. It's a simple, straightforward backpack. No frills, I guess is what you'd call, but that's actually kind of what he wants and what he needs. You can see there is an outside pocket with a little zipper on it. There's a pouch on the inside there, and then you have this double zipper up here, which is kind of nice in the fact that you can open both sides. So this is kind of the main pocket here. It is black on the inside, and then there's actually another separate pocket in there where you can like put a laptop if you wanted to, and then you can kind of put your books separate. This would probably work great for a high school student, even for an elementary school. It is a little bit small. It's not for a very tall or very big person. But otherwise, it's kind of a nice backpack. You can see we have little pockets on the side. Those are for small water bottles. If you have anything really big, like a giant Stanley cup, that's not going to fit in here. Same thing on the other side, kind of again, for smaller water bottles. A regular size water bottle will fit, but a large one will not. I do like this. It's got a hook at the top, so you can go ahead and just kind of put it on a hook or hang it somewhere if you want to. That's kind of nice. You can even carry it by this. The stitching is pretty solid, so that's pretty good. Again, it's not a super thick or comfy backpack, but it'd be great for an elementary school student, great for a high school student who's going to kind of just take it and kind of carry it around. My son's not even sure if he's going to use a backpack at college, so we just got him kind of one just to kind of carry crap in, and we'll kind of see how that works. If you want something super high end, then we'll talk about it. But you can also see the straps are adjustable, so they will go ahead and fit. They'll fit on me, they'll fit on him, and he's taller than I am. But overall, it's a decent little backpack. Again, no frills, no super duper wacky crazy features, but it does work pretty well. We've kind of filled it with books and kind of held it and like, okay, that works. The zippers are all pretty solid. So yeah, nice backpack.